Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the number of electrons which will together weigh 1 gram. The only fact that you must know for doing this question is you must know the mass of 1 electron. What is mass of 1 electron? That is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. But here, see, they give the total mass in gram, so we can convert this mass into gram. Okay, how? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. What is kilo? 10 raised to 3, right? Gram. So what is the answer? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28 gram. Okay, so we got mass in gram, right? Now it's very simple, right? You know the total mass. You know mass of 1 electron. So how to find the number of electron? Direct. Number of electrons is equal to what? It is total mass, that is 1 gram, by mass of 1 electron. Mass of 1 electron. Mass of 1 electron. Okay, right? What is total mass? 1. What is mass of 1 electron? It is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 28. On calculating, you will get 1.098 into 10 raised to 27 electron. 1.098 into 10 raised to 27 electron. Hope all of you understand. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer.